Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing the question which is based on the topic of moment of inertia. The question is, a body is rotating with uniform angular velocity omega about an axis. Establish the formula for its kinetic energy of rotation. Now see how to derive the relation. Suppose this is any body and its axis of rotation is, say, this one. This is any particle which is at a distance r1. This is another particle which is at a distance r2. This is another particle which is at a distance, perpendicular distance r3, and keeping this way, this is at a distance r1. This is moving with velocity v1. This is moving with velocity v2. This is moving with velocity v3, and this is moving with velocity vn. Therefore, and the mass of this particle is m1, mass of this particle is m3, mass of this particle is m2, mass of this particle is mn. Therefore, total kinetic energy of rotation is equals to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square plus half mn vn square. Now for rotation, we know that linear velocity is equals to r omega, where omega is angular velocity. Since the body is a solid body, its particles are fixed, they do not have relative motion between each other. Therefore, the angular velocity of all the particles will remain constant. Therefore, we can say that v1 is equals to r1 omega, v2 is equals to r2 omega, and so on. vn is equals to rn omega. Therefore, kinetic energy of rotation can be written as half m1 r1 square omega square plus half m2 r2 square omega square plus so on half mn rn square omega square. If I take omega square common, then it is summation half mi ri square I going from 1 to n. Again I take half outside. So kinetic energy is half omega square summation mi ri square I going from 1 to n. And by the definition of moment of inertia, we have already proved that I is equals to summation mi ri square I going from 1 to n. Therefore, kinetic energy of a rotation of a body is given as half I omega square. Hope you must have understood this question, how to get the kinetic energy of rotation of a body. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.